Saint of the day, Saint John Marie Vianney. Jean Baptista Marie Vianney, known as John in English, was born on May 8, 1786 in Dardilly, France and was baptized the same day. He was fourth of the six children born to Matthew and Marie Vianney. John was raised in a Catholic home and the family often helped the poor and housed Saint Benedict Joseph Labre when he made his pilgrimage to Rome. In 1790, when the anti-clerical terror phase of the French Revolution forced priests to work in the secrecy or face execution, young Vianney believed the priests were heroes. He continued to believe in the bravery of priests and received his first communion catechism instruction in private by two nuns who lost their convents to the revolution. At 13 years old, John made his first communion and prepared for his confirmation in secrecy. When he was 20 years old, John was allowed to leave the family farm to learn at a Presbytery school in Ecouly. There he learned maths, history, geography and Latin. As his education has been disrupted by the French Revolution, he struggled in his studies, particularly with Latin, but worked hard to learn. In 1802, the Catholic Church was re-established in France and religious freedom and peace spread throughout the country. Unfortunately, in 1809, John was drafted into Napoleon Bonaparte's army. He had been studying as ecclesiastical student, which was protected title and would normally have accepted him from military services, but Napoleon had withdrawn the exemption in some dioceses as he had required more soldiers. 2 days into his service, John fell ill and required hospitalization. As his troop continued, he stopped in a church where he prayed. There he met a young man who volunteered to return him to his group, but instead led him deep into mountains where military deserters met. John lived with them for 1 year and 2 months. He used the name Jerome Vincent and opened a school for the nearby village of Les Neuvs children. Now free, John returned to Ecouly and resumed his ecclesiastical studies. He attended a minor seminary, Abbey Belley, in 1812 and was eventually ordained a deacon in June 1815. He joined his heroes as a priest August 12, 1815 in Corvette des Messimes to Grenoble. His first mass was celebrated the next day and he was appointed assistant to Belley in Ecouly. 3 years later, when Belley passed away, Father John Vianney was appointed parish priest of Archbishop Parish. With help from Catherine Lassagne and Benedicta Latin, La Province, a home for girls, was established in Ars. When he began his priestly duties, Father Vianney realized many were either ignorant or indifferent to religion as a result of the French Revolution. Many danced and drank on Sundays or worked in their fields. Father Vianney spent much time in confession and often delivered homilies against blasphemy and dancing. Finally, if parishioners did not give up dancing, he refused them absolution. He spent 11 to 12 hours each day working to reconcile people with God. In the summer months, he often worked 16 hours a day and refused to retire. His fame spread until people began to travel to him in 1827. Within 30 years, it is said he received up to 20,000 pilgrims each year. He was deeply devoted to Saint Philomena and erected a chapel and shrine in her honor. When he later became deathly ill but miraculously recovered, he attributed his health to Saint Philomena's intercession. By 1853, Father Vianney attempted to run away from Ars 4 times, each attempt with the intention of becoming a monk, but decided after the final attempt that it was not to be. On October 3, 1873, Pope Pius XI proclaimed Father Vianney as venerable, and on January 8, 1905, Pope Pius X beatified him. Saint John Vianney was canonized on May 31st, 1925. His feast day was declared August 9, but it was changed twice before it fell to August 4th.